Hey everyone, long time no see. It's Tia1 back again. Today, I've got some seriously exciting news to share with you all. TensorArt is now backing the ecosystems of SD3 and Hunyuan-Dit. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use TensorArt to train your own SD3 and DIT models. And here's a little secret. Uploading models on TensorArt can earn you some cash in USD. No more talking. Let's dive right in. Let's find the entry point. Right on the home page, click on Online Training. Click on Upload Image. I recommend uploading higher resolution images here for better training results. If you're new, I recommend using the basic model. It's right up in the top right corner. Next, choose SD3, and of course, you can also train the Hunyuan-Dit model right here. Set your desired parameters. And remember, the total steps are calculated by multiplying the number of images in your training set by repeat times epoch. The total steps directly affect the credits consumed during model training. The more steps, the higher the credit consumption. Trigger words typically refer to specific words or phrases used in text analysis, natural language processing, or machine learning to initiate a particular action or response. Next up, we've got prompts. This feature creates a snapshot of your model's progress at the end of each training phase. It's like getting a progress report on your model's fashion sense. It doesn't change how it learns or performs, just gives you a quick look at its training journey. Next, let's check out batch cutting. This feature lets you easily crop all your uploaded images to the same size. Super convenient. But if all your uploaded images are already the same size, you can totally skip this step. Next up, each uploaded picture gets automatically tagged, and you can click on any image to see its tags. Now, batch add labels lets you bulk add tags to images. You can choose to add them at the beginning or end of each tag list. Typically, they're added at the beginning to serve as trigger words. In TensorArt's online training workspace, we can adjust the number of times individual images are repeated right here. So we can skip this step for now. Alright everyone, that was just the beginner's basic mode. Now, let's dive into the professional mode. First, we need to switch to professional mode in the top right corner. These parameters are defined the same way as in basic mode. If you spot extra stuff in your generated images, lower the learning rate. If you struggle to get the right details without adjusting the prompt's weights too much, crank up the learning rate. Higher rates speed up AI learning, but might lead to overfitting. If your model can't replicate details or the generated images look off, your learning rate might be too low. Try increasing it. Here's the definition of the learning rate scheduler. But usually, the default values we provide work just fine. Remember, DIMP doesn't have to be maxed at 128, especially for a single character like Laura. Keep Laura weights large, but scale them down during training with network alpha. A smaller network alpha means larger saved weights. In titles, earlier words usually matter more. If the order is fixed, later words might not learn as well, or early words could unexpectedly affect image generation. Randomly shuffling word order when loading images helps correct this bias. Here, it's best to stick with our default settings whenever possible. To improve images that turn out to dark or to bright during training, add noise offset. But don't overdo it. Try to keep it below 0.2. You can set these parameters like I do, 8 and 4, for training anime models. Of course, sticking with the default settings works too. I'm copying the prompts directly from the system's tagging. It's easier and more accurate. I recommend you do the same. After setting all the parameters, we just click Start Training and off we go. Once training's done, we pick the best result from these and hit Publish. Don't forget to click Create New Project. For the next steps, just follow the instructions to set everything up, then hit Publish.
A few moments later.
After a few minutes of waiting for the model to deploy, we'll generate an image to see how it turns out. Alright, looks like we've got a winner here. That's how you train SD3 and Hunyuan models. Got it down. Come over to TensorArt for a shot at cash prizes. We're hosting a massive online training event with prizes so extravagant, they'll blow your mind. To pump up my fans, drop your trained SD3 or Hunyuan models link ID in the comments below. If it impresses me, I'll hook you up with loads of credits and pro perks. Plus, I'll feature a special winners video showcasing your models to everyone. Just remember, my decision's final. So, what are you waiting for? Start training and join the fun!